Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA 1.4. In this video I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. It's very simple because this phone has dedicated button for Google Assistant. Simply press this button and say you want to make a phone call. Call Lily.
Here's a YouTube result.
Call Lily.
Calling Lily.
That's the process how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Unfortunately, I can't do it on this phone because I don't have SIM card inserted. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.